Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the videos Khalid bin Saleh, and today one of my students present here. I would like to make videos with my students, and can you please mention your name please?
My name is frist.
Okay, so in this video I would like to ask him a lot of questions about her personal life, and we would like to know, actually my dear friends and followers, those who are following in Facebook, social media, right? Sunny has made a lot of videos, right, and he has gone viral in Facebook. So you have seen it, right? So that is why I think that actually I should make a videos with Sunny. So now I'm going to ask him some questions. Are you ready, Sunny?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so first of all, may I know your name, please?
Yeah, sure. My name is frist.
Okay, so what can I call you?
You can call me Sunny because that's my nickname.
Okay, so are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
So what do you do at present?
I'm
Right now, you are a student. You have told me. Okay, so what's your school's name or college name?
It's Vrindavan College.
Okay, so is it famous?
Yeah, sure. This college is very famous in our district.
Right. Okay. So now you would like to tell me that how many students are there in your department?
There are many students in my department, but currently I don't count. There are about 500 students.
All right. So can you please tell me, are you a student of inter first year or second year?
I read in inter second year. Basically.
Okay. So now we are going to move the next one. What's your future plan? What do you want to be in future?
I wanna be a successful freelancer.
Okay, successful freelancer. Right. Thank you. May Allah fulfill your expectation. It's a really great dream. Now, how old are you at present?
I am 18 years old.
Okay, amazing. Right. So in 18 years old, you try to speak English in front of the camera. That's a really great idea, right? I really inspire my students to make videos, different kinds of different types of videos, right? So now we are going to move the next one, and that is, let's talk about your father. Please mention your father's name.
My father's name is Mr. Samsulala.
Okay, so what is his name actually? Or short name, can you please tell me?
Samsul.
Okay, so everyone call him Samsul.
Everyone call him
Right.
Samsul.
Okay. So, how old is he? Can you please?
About 51.
Okay. So, what's his profession?
He is an ideal read writer.
All right, mashallah. That's a really interesting thing. So, are you improving English speaking section day by day?
Yes, because I practice regularly how to speak English.
So, do you make videos regularly?
Yeah, I make video regularly.
Right. So now actually, who is your English teacher? Please tell me.
Khalid bin Saleh sir is my English teacher.
So, is Khaled sir fulfill your expectation? What you want from me, especially?
Of course, because he teach me in English, and he always motivate and inspire me to make a video regularly. I feel proud being of Khalid bin Saleh sir.
Right, you feel proud of being a student of.
Khalid bin Saleh sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for praising me. I really I need followers like you. So you're doing really incredible job. So now let's talk about your mother. Right, do you have mother?
Yeah.
Sure. So what does your mother do? I mean, actually, what's his profession? He's a teacher or a housewife or a homemaker?
She is a homemaker.
Right. She's a homemaker. Amazing. So, do you want to learn English correctly?
I practice regularly.
All right. You try to develop your pronunciation. So, what do you think? English is needed for us. English is important for us.
Yeah, sure.
So, guys, at last I would like to give him a grand welcome, because he always try to make a videos. So those who are making videos like Sunny, so please practice from today, from now, right? Then it will help you to improve your English speaking test. Now, we have completed these videos. That's all. And at last, I would like to thanks honorable those who are watching these videos, especially audience, right? I would like to express our opinion to the audience. Those who are watching me in Facebook, thanks very much. And if you like these videos, try to write down your comment. By writing your comment, you would like to inspire us. And thanks, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.